Welcome to this channel. In this video we are going to talk about my top 3 educational Elementor template kit for schools and educational website. If this is your first time visiting this channel, I want you to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notification so that when I drop a new video, you are going to get notified. Number 1 in the list is Edu Caesar. Note, I'm going to show you how you can get this template, where you can get it, and how to install it in your WordPress website. So I want you to watch this video to the end so that you will know how you can install this template in your website. So let's talk about Edu Caesar. That's the number 1. So see the home page of this particular WordPress template. So the home page. So you can use this thing for people selling courses, digital courses. So you can use this particular template for it. So you can see it. There are courses where they list their courses. So you can, if you are planning on creating a website or for educational where you can sell your courses, your career, this particular template is for you. So this is the home page of this particular template. So the blog section, and this is the footer of this particular template. So this is the particular template. So this is the home page. So then this is the section for all courses. So let's review that section, all courses. So you can see how beautiful this particular section is. So you can see it. So then you can also check their about us page. So you can also check the about us page. So see the about us page, very awesome and beautiful. So for you to get this particular template, just go to your browser and type this particular URL, sontrobydigital.com/shop. I will pin this link in the description so that you can just go there. Then once you search this particular address on your browser, you are going to land on this page. Then you search for Edu Caesar. So you search for it. So once you search for it, so it's loading. Edu. So maybe I made a mistake here. See it here. Edu Caesar. So see it here. You click on it, then you land on this page. So this is the page. So the link to this page will be in the description. So once you land on this page, then you can scroll through, see more templates over here. Then you pay with your GPay, Google Pay, or you can also pay with Apple Pay, or you pay with link. Once you pay, the link, this particular template will be sent to your email. Then you download it. You have it forever. If you don't have any of this, you click on add to cart. So you use this particular process to get the rest if you find the rest interesting. So now once you click on add to cart, you click on proceed to checkout. So you click on proceed to checkout. Once you click on this proceed to checkout, you land on this page. You enter your first name, last name, then you enter your card details over here. Once you are done entering your card details, you click on buy now. This particular template will be sent to your email, and you're going to see a dashboard for you to download it instantly. So if you didn't see the dashboard, you're going to get it in your email sent. So once you get it, then it will proceed to installation in your website. So I will show you where you can install, how you can install this particular template. Then if you want to see more preview about this particular template, if you want to see more preview, just click on this particular link here, live preview. Then you're going to see this particular page over here. Then you can preview it before you get it. So the number 2 on the list is Kindergo. This is for kindergarten school. If you have a kindergarten or you have a client that have kindergarten, this particular template is for you. So the Kindergo template is for kindergarten website. So you can see it, kindergarten website. So you can see everything about this particular template. This is the home page, how the home page is going to look. You can see it looking beautiful and awesome. So you can see the home page, let's check the about page. So let's check the about page. So you can see the about page, very beautiful and awesome. This is the about page of this particular template. So to get this template, you head over to you search for this on your browser. Search for this link on your browser, centralbydigital.com/shop. Then you are going to land on this particular page. So the link to this particular page will be in the description. Then you get it with, you can get this template with your GPay or pay with link or Apple Pay. You get immediately you are done paying, you get it in your email, and also a page where you can download it. So if you want to see more live preview, so you click on this live preview, you land on this page, then you land on this page, then you review everything, that you review it and see other pages, go through other pages and see how it looks. So the third on the list is Kind Leon. This is also for kindergarten, and this is also a kindergarten template for kindergarten and child care schools. So this template is for you. If you have a kindergarten or child care school, this particular template is for you. So you can see this particular template, very beautiful and awesome. You can see how it look like. You can see how it look like. So let's check their about page. This is their home page. So let's check the about page. So you can see the about page, very beautiful. You can just change, you just get this particular template, you change the images, change the typography and colors, then it will suit your own business, it will suit your own school. Okay, just get it and your school, you are done. So you can see the about page, see their teachers page, see their teachers is also in about page. So you can see the template is very awesome and beautiful and professional. So you can also see their programs, class pages, blog and contact page. So for you to review this, just for you to get this template and get this preview, just come over to this particular URL and search for centralbydigital.com/shop. Search for it in your browser. Then you will land on this page. Then you click on this live preview, you will land on this particular page for you to review this particular other pages if you want to check other pages. So once you land on this page, the link to this page will be in the description. Once you land on this page, you buy it with GPay, so or you buy it with link, or you add to cart and proceed to checkout and get this particular template. This particular template is professional. So you can also see other templates. So you can also go to this particular address also, centralbydigital.com/shop. So you land on this page, you can get any template. See more beautiful templates over here. You can get templates over here, more templates for businesses, professional businesses. Elementor kit template, you just get it, you install it. So let's head over to how you can install this particular template in your website. So this is your Elementor dashboard. So this is your WordPress dashboard. So for you to install this particular template, for you to install any template, you first of all come to appearance and click on themes. This is the first thing you are going to do. You click on themes, you click on add theme, then you click on add theme, then you install this particular theme, Hello Elementor. This is the first thing you are going to do. You install this particular theme, Hello Elementor. So you install it and activate this particular theme. This is the theme that you are going to use for this particular template. So you click on activate. Then once you are done activating, then you install this Elementor over here. You can install Elementor over here, or you come to plugins, then you click on add plugin. You are going to install Elementor first, then you search for Elementor. So you install Elementor. So once you search for Elementor, you install this particular Elementor, you install Elementor. Then the most important template theme plugin to install is the most important plugin we are going to install is a template kit import. So once you search for template kit import, then you install this particular template, this particular plugin, you install it. This is the main plugin. So once you install it, you activate it, and also activate Elementor, because you are going to use Elementor for this particular design. So once you activate it, you come to tools, you are going to see template kit over here. You click on it. That time you already activated your Elementor. Make sure you activate your Elementor. Then you click on this place to import the template, or click on this place. So I'll click here and import the template and show you. So once you click on import, you are going to import, it is going to import. So you can see that I've imported my own template. See it here. So I have imported it. So it is now on my website. The first thing you are going to do is you import this global template, global kit style. So you must import it first. So you import it before you do anything. Import it first. So once you import it, then the next thing you are going to do is to import all requirements. All this particular requirement, you must import it. So you must activate Elementor before you import the global kit. So you import and activate all of them. You close it. Then you do what? You import this particular site style. So you see it, yeah, it have imported. You must activate this particular Elementor before you do what? You import it. Once you import it, you are now good to go. You create your pages, all these pages, and do what? Import this template and customize it. That is how you can be able to do what? Import this particular, any of this particular template to your website and use it. If you have watched to this point, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video, and do well and comment if you have any difficulty. I will answer you in the comment section. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.